Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to online learning at NorEduCom. How are you today? Today our subject is letters. The topic is about letter I. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to recognize and say letter I correctly, form letter I, capital letter and small letter correctly, and match pictures that start with letter I. Before we start the class, can we sing the ABC song together? Are you ready? Let's start.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z.
Well done, everybody. Let's start our class. Can you tell me what is the name of this letter? Yes, that's right. This is letter I. This is how letter I looks like. Repeats after me. I. This is a capital I or a big I, and this is a small I. What is the sound of I? Letter I has two sounds, short sound E and long sound I. Can you name this picture? Yes, this is an ink. E, ink. Repeats after me. E, ink. The pen has black ink in it. We use ink to write and draw. E, ink. Let's go to the next slide. Now, can you name this picture? Yes, this is an insect. E, insect. Repeats after me. E, insect. It starts with the letter I. Well done, everybody. Can you name this letter? Yes, this is a capital I or a big I. And what about this one? Yes, this is a small I. Can you name this animal? Yes, that's right. This is an iguana. E, iguana. Repeats after me. E, iguana. This is an iguana. It likes to eat plants, including leaves and fruit. Iguana lives in warm places. E, iguana. It starts with the letter I. Well done, everybody. Let's go to the next slide. Can you name this picture? Yes, this is an igloo. E, igloo. E, igloo. An igloo is made of ice. It's often in the shape of a dome. E, igloo. It starts with a short sound E. Letter I. Now, can you name this picture? Yes, these are ice cubes. Ice. Ice. It starts with the letter I. Long sound I. Ice. These are ice cubes. Ice is a frozen water. If water is put in the freezer and left for a while, the water gets very cold and it will freeze solid, creating an ice. Ice. Now, can you name this picture? Yes, that's right. This is an ice cream. Ice cream. Repeats after me. Ice creams. It starts with the letter I, long sound I. Ice cream. I like to eat ice cream. Can you name this letter? Yes, this is a capital I or a big I. And what about this one? Yes, this is a small I. Now, can you name this picture? Yes, this is an island. Island. Repeats after me. Island. An island is a land that is surrounded by water. Island. It starts with the letter I, long sound I. Let's go to the next slide. Can you name this picture? Yes, these are ivy leaves. It's a climbing evergreen plant. Ivy. Repeats after me. Ivy. Now, how to write letter I? Please make sure you have a pencil and a notebook with you now. Let's start with a capital I or a big I. We start at the top and make a line down. Go back to the top and make a line across. And go to the bottom and make another line across. Let's write it again. Down, across, and across. Let's write it again. Down, across, and across. Let's write it again. Down, across, and across. Well done, everybody. Let's move on to a small I. We start in the middle and make a line down. Go back up to the middle and make a small dot. Okay, let's write it again. Down and make a small dot above the middle. Let's try. Let's write it again. Down and make a small dot above the middle. Yes. Let's write it again. Start in the middle and make a line down. Go up to the middle and make a small dot. Yes, that's right. Now you know how to write letter I. Well done, everybody. For your homework, I want you to write letter I, capital I, or a big I 10 times, and a small I 10 times inside your notebook. And I want you to draw the picture that starts with letter I. For example, an ice cream. Ice cream. Now let's match pictures that begin with the letter I. Can you name the first picture? Yes, this is a hat. Hat. It starts with the letter H, not letter I. So do not match it. Let's cross it out. Can you name the next picture? Yes, these are ice cubes. Ice. Ice. It starts with the letter I. Long sound I. So let's match it to the letter I. Can you name the next picture? Yes, that's right. This is an ice cream. Ice cream. It starts with the letter? Yes, letter I. So let's match it. Can you name the last picture? Yes, this is an iguana. Iguana. It starts with the letter I. Short sound E. Letter I. So let's match to letter I. Well done, everybody. Now let's write the correct beginning letter of each picture below. Can you name this color? Yes, it's green color. Green. Green. It starts with the letter? Yes, that's right, letter G. Sound of G. So let's write letter G. Next, can you name this picture? Yes, this is an igloo. Igloo. Short sound E. Letter I. That's right, letter I. Igloo. So let's write letter I. Well done, everybody. That's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.